Right, well, I'm out of my shed. As you can see, we've got the engine put back together. And so we put the heads on, put the tablets in, and then push rods, roller rockers, adjusted the tablets, and that's all done. Then we put the inlet manifold on. We had to double the gasket up because the gasket that was supplied wasn't big enough to take the gap, so we've done that. Just a tiny little bit of sealant, and then we lined the pulleys up, and that took some time. That took about 3 hours, but it looks perfect now. It's slightly out, but over the run, the distance, I don't think it's going to be a big issue. But yeah, so that's all right. So we've got to put the oil in it, spin it up, get the oil running through the system, and we can then drop it in. So yeah, that's onwards and upwards. When we drilled the steam holes in the heads, this is the kit we use to get the angle. You've got to drill it at a 10-degree angle. So what we use is my timing kit for the Lambretta, and it's got a built-in 0 angle, so then we could get it exactly 10 degrees like that. It was spot on. So yeah, so let's crack on. So what we done was we filled the oil filter called Prime. Dave made this bush this morning. Got that shaft I showed you doing the pump, and Dave will spin it up now. I'll have to turn the sound off because it's like in editing, because it's a bit loud, and you'll see the oil coming out on the top here. Go for it, Dave. I don't know if you noticed that when we were bleeding it up, we didn't get any oil out this side, and we were trying it, and we tried different things, and we had a look. We actually took the roller rockers back off to see if there was anything weird, like misaligned, but it seemed odd, one bank and not the other. And what we realised was at the end of the oil rail for this side is the oil feed for the distributor. So obviously you wouldn't get any pressure up because all the oil was just pouring out into the bottom over the shaft. So what we've done, Dave had this distributor, it's a spare he's got, so we've stripped it out. We had to take the gear off the bottom because obviously that would lock into the camshaft, and we spun it up, and as you can see, Dave's going to fire it up now, and you'll see the oil coming out. So yeah, so that was sorted, but yeah, it took us half hour to work out what was going on. But, yeah, we sorted that out now. Right, so this demon carb, it's just standing up on its own. See these little bits? See these little bits just there, and just there and there. Well, that's a bleed air bypass, and it's a slot in the throttle body. If I open it up, see, so you, when these carbs are set correctly, you just want to see them, and then you adjust the idle on these 4, and you don't touch these. Once that is set, you don't touch them. So that's it. Yeah. As you see, yesterday we had the engine back in, and we connected up everything, and then this morning Dave's put the radiator in, connected it up. So we connected all the new battery terminals up. He's just got It's just off to get some new ones so we can finish it off. See that one? That one's going to go on there, down to the battery. And this one come up through, up to the shut off. So we've got good earth in it. So yeah, not bad. We'll crack on.